I was feeling absolutely mental today, so I was thinking that I actually wanted to dye my hair. So what I usually do is I actually do my henna at home. I actually have white hair, exactly like a Hindi serial villain or villi or what do you call it, exactly over here. What do you call it? Pariyappa. What's the villi in Pariyappa? Cast. Neelambari, that's right. Oh my god, it's exactly over here. Why do I do henna? Because I personally don't believe in dyeing your hair. Because dyeing your hair really strips the hair from all its moisture, and oh my god. For me especially, it just made my hair fall out so much. I think during my flying times, I think I dyed it once or twice. Oh my god, my hair fell out like crazy. So that's why I actually stopped and actually converted to doing henna. So usually I go to the salon to do my henna. But then again, you know, after getting married and all, I want to be a bit more cost efficient. So I decided to do it at home. So for the past 3 to 4 years, I've actually been doing henna at home. And oh my god, it's so easy. You know, if you go to the shop, you just got to sit there and look at your phone for nearly about 2-3 hours. But at home, you can do whatever you want. So that's why I love doing it at home. So let me go on to teach you all how to do henna at home. No makeup, nothing on my face. So I have this big glasses to hide all my dark circles and everything. Let me tell you a secret. I actually didn't shower, but I'm going to shower after this. So you can get yourself henna packet from anywhere and take up. Try to get a small packet, like this is about 120 grams. This is just enough to cover my whole hair. Let's say you have a bit of a longer hair, you can probably use this and this smaller packet. This smaller packet is about 50 grams. So in Mustafa they actually sell this tree for $3. This bigger packet is about, I think, $5. So check it out, and if you all open this one, right, try to use up the whole packet within that particular session. If you're going to store it, try to store it in an airtight container, and try to store what actually happened when I use it for the next time. The darkness of the henna didn't turn out as well as the first time I used it. So that's what I try to buy smaller packets, and as and when I would just use and just finish them up. So let's open the henna. Another thing you all need to remember is try to get yourself like a metal pot like that to do the mixing, because you're going to use a plastic container. It's going to stay in your plastic container. So that's why we must use a metal container. And then you're going to pour the whole content into this thing. What I love to do is add castor oil, because that's going to make my hair grow long. These articles need some nourishment. So I'm going to add a little bit of this. And next up, it's going to be eucalyptus oil. Boom, a few drops, because I love the smell of this. This is very cooling, so if you are very prone to getting headaches, try to use lesser droplets of this one. Okay, and then my favorite ingredient is a little bit of yogurt. Sorry, a little bit of yogurt. Just 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. This whole henna thing is going to be very cooling for your head. So if you're just recovered from a flu or just recovered from a fever, try to delay like a few more days. Get strong before you try to put it on your head, because it's going to be on your head for a few hours. So the most important ingredient is going to be this. This is actually just tea. I've used 2 or 3 sachets of tea, like any kind of Lipton tea, whatever tea, but black tea. Yeah, so like boil it in like a few cups of water, and then get this concentrate and cool it down to room temperature. Still try to keep it a little bit warm when you're going to mix it together with this thing. Now I'm going to mix this up. And yeah, I'm going to pour everything. because I am so impatient. Okay, but for your first time, if you all do not know how much water you all need for the paste, try to just use a little by little. Okay. God, I'm so busy. Yeah, you need a little bit of arm strength for this. I brought in some more water because the tea was not enough. Finally, I have created the paste. The paste should look something like that, a bit lumpy. It shouldn't, it's a lot lumpy, but it shouldn't be too watery, right? So that you can pick it up and put it on your hair later on. So once this is done, so you just cover it up with, you're going to take your shrink wrap paper or whatever, okay, aluminium foil, whatever you have at home. If you do not have, just seal it with any kind of plate or whatever. Okay, so just wrap this up and put it aside for about 2 to 3 hours. So I will come back after 2 to 3 hours and show you all what to do with this. I'll open this thing up now. So it's going to look like this paste. So what you need is a pair of gloves, something like that, okay? And then you will need shrink wrap again. So keep this by the side. So what I usually do is I actually put a rubber band at the end over here, so that when I start picking up the henna, it doesn't come off my fingers. Area where my hair has a lot of white hair, it's right over here. As you can see, I start from that area. So over here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to pick up a little bit of my henna. Okay. So I'm going to start with this area. Okay, guys. Just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to bring up the whole bunch. Let's embrace this moment and laugh at me. I'm looking a bit retard, but you know, whatever. You can see I have almost finished up all my henna. Okay, so I have completed my hair. So I'm going to take this off. Before you all start with the henna, put on a very old t-shirt so that it doesn't stain any of your tops while you're taking it out, or whatever. After you've applied everything, just wipe away all those henna which is stuck to your ears or at the back of your neck. Just use a wet tissue or just use your fingers to just wipe it off and just wash it. So you have to cling wrap your hair all around so that it doesn't fall off halfway, or so that you can like rest and enjoy a little bit for the next 2-3 hours. The top, you just like secure it this way and slowly take out your ears. Do I look like Gandhi right now? I just need a stick. So after washing the hair and after blow drying the hair, this is how the final result will look. 3, 2, 1. Yay! It's done! So another thing you all need to take note of, right, is when you all are washing your hair, make sure that you all never use a shampoo to wash the hair. You can use a conditioner but not a shampoo. So you wash off all the henna, then you take a handful of conditioner and apply it all over your hair and wait for a bit, and then we wash it off with cold water. Same thing like how, if you want the henna on your hand to last for a longer time, try not to use soap on the hand. Same thing applies for your hair as well. Try not to use shampoo, because if you're going to use shampoo, it's going to make the color grow lighter. You wait for a day or 2 before you use the shampoo again. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe below and hit the like button. I'll be posting out videos every week. Yay! If you want me to do a video on something, shout out below as well. Yay!